Hello everybody, my name is Anurag Yadav. I'm a student of Masai. My batch is FT30 and my student code is FT30 underscore 342. So today a problem statement given to me is let me share the screen. Uh, I'll explain problem statement. The problem statement given to me is uh, container with most water. So in this given integer of array, the height of the length, and so in this question, the given the array and the length of the array. There are in vertical line draw, which is such that the two endpoint of the uh, ith line are this, and height is there. So and there is a axis plane 2D plane given line that represent the uh, height of the uh, container, and that represent a reference axis. I, so such that we need to find the maximum area of the container, uh, taking to any point that contain maximum water. We need to find the maximum area that store the maximum water. So here this given a question, given a array. The expected output is 49. So we need let me I will explain in brief. So this is a point which is given, um, that height of the array. So my approach on this question is um, first uh, compute two loop, that one loop start from 0 to length of the array, and second loop will start from uh, that outer loop plus one, that uh, that move execute in time outer loop, and then inner loop also execute in time, that exit after that outer loop is equal to length of the array. So in this approach we need which uh, which two line that occupy contain most water. So if I am taking this line and this line, there is a contain. If I'm taking this line, there's contain much water, that increase this line, that take uh, that much water contain in this, because I always take the minimum of of two of them minimum line, because if I'm taking this line, that not possible to contain uh, on the above of the line that water contain. So I take minimum height, and for finding area we need to calculate the first line index, and mine and last line, no, second line index, at second line index minus first line, so that we can find that width and the height. So area calculate width into height. So after area compared with uh, all calculated area, so which area is maximum, that after all the maximum area will uh, uh, will be the output. So I will explain using the code. First of all, we need to use one function. Inside that, this function we need that area, area of array and length. For finding area store, usually the area is equal to 0, and after compute one loop that start from 0 to uh, 0 0 to length of array. That means then this, and second loop start from uh, j is equal to I plus 1, because uh, every time if I am taking 0, that it exit again and again from 0, but do not for increment checking all the lines, so increment one by one, that j less than length. For finding area, that area should be maximum, so math dot max use, and then after for finding area, uh, we need a height and width. So area dot math dot mean height, need to find the minimum height of two of the line. So I compare in between them which one is minimum and take that one. Then multiply with the width, that end and we can say the second index of the array and first one, difference between them. So after all, return the maximum area. uh, this is the first approach of which take there is a computer two an independent loop. The first one is outer loop run uh, size of the length, and that n, and approximately that inner loop is also is execute in time. So time complexity of this program is uh, order of n square, and that time take order of one of that constant, because we not use any uh, other data structure for storing the value. We will only use temp variable that is stored, take one time order of one. If for optimization with talking, my approach for optimization is mm, I'm in the first program we uh, every line check all the possible line which maximum we store and increment one by one. But uh, for removing this iterate taking one line and checking all from all that we uh, I take uh, two index that one start from zero index and another is a size of the at the end of the array that check with compare with both if any height is uh, that height is greater than any height is greater than increment the left one that left one if height is smaller then increment the right one that take less time to compute finding the maximum area that contain most water. So first of all taking two variable that one is start at 0, second in length, then after compute one while loop that traverse till the start and end is not crossing each other that less than each other if equal or cross then out from the while loop. So start less than end, then we need to find the area. For area I will take this, simply find area, then after checking if area for I or less than area j that so I will increment start that and else decrease and then after I will return the maximum area that store inside the area variable. So this program as optimized. You can see that only use one loop that uh, works as a worst case in order of n. Like uh, if this array is in sorted, that means all are small. This one is greater, so traversing till n size of the n. Our first one is greater or all are smaller than traversing from uh, right to left. That n if are not sorted, then any in between half of the area that traverse and find the maximum area contain water. So the take the order of n time complexity and the time and space complexity is one. No use extra space for storing the variables. Okay, that's all about the given following statement. I will open for you any question or any feedback you can put or ask that particular regarding particular problem statement. Thank you.